Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use the Zoom application on your MacBook. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So first things first, simply go ahead and open your Safari and search for Zoom application or Zoom download. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on Zoom Workplace for Mac. And once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on Download for Apple Silicon right over here. Now simply go ahead and allow, and it's going to start downloading and installing onto your device. Once it is already downloaded into your device, you will simply go ahead and run this installer. And finally, once you run this installer, click on Continue, Install for all users, click on Install, and then go ahead and enter your password. And I'm going to start installing and complete it. So as soon as it is completed, you can simply go ahead and click on close and move the installer to trash. And now you can simply go ahead and use your Zoom right over here. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.